In this video, I'm going to show you how we can create this type of video using the AI tool. We need two AI tools. First of all, we need to create AI images. So that's the free tool is called bing.com/image and create. So that tool I'm going to use here. Okay. So I'll give you the link of this tool. As you can see, I have created these images and the prompt is new, create a 3D art of girl using noodles with dance position PNG. As you can see, these images. Now we need to download all these images in our system. So as you can see, I already have created a lot of images like this. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to combine all these images. For that, I'm going to use your Krea.ai tool. Okay, just open this website and now let's click on the generate video option. Now we need to log in with the Google. So continue with Google account. Now as you can see here, these are the two images you will get. Now we need to replace these images. So let's click on the image or let's click on the add frame. Like you can add anywhere, like just click on the here, add frame. Let's click on the upload image. So I have some images. So I'm going to upload these images. You can delete these text prompt from here and delete this one image also. Now drag and drop these images, just drag and drop it like here. We have two images and I'm going to add one more image. We have three images here. Now let's click on the generate video and this AI tool generated this video like this. I tried this video. As you can see here, what I have done, I have added three images here and the overall video is like this. And that one more video also. This is overall really cool and amazing tool. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.